Hi, today I'm going to give you a review of auto insurance. Now, personally, I haven't ever used auto insurance, but even in the homepage here, they state some pretty bold claim like auto is completely free, and there's a couple insurance you can choose from like auto, a pet, home, life, a lot. There's even like the basic. They have a phone app, it seems. They even tell you about they even ask you to compare them with other insurance company. Here they have a lot of quotes from supposedly customers that are happy with auto insurance. So looking from the website here, this seems like a pretty good deal. But if I go to another website here with that have reviews, you can see that Otto have a pretty bad average review. It only has 24% 5-star reviews, but it has a lot of 1-star review. Like if I filter out 1-star reviews here, there's a lot of people saying it misinterpreted the entire experience. It's a waste of time. It's a waste of time. The platform is a joke. They made an ad faking on being on the Joe Rogan podcast. 17 unwanted phone calls within 2 hours. So based on the review here, even though it's pretty alluring to have a completely free insurance per se, I think you should do more research first before getting into this auto insurance thing.